Greetings, friends and citizens of the world. My name is Thor. If you're new to my channel, I've just implemented my first wave of videos in a strategic plan to create several passive streams of income by using free AI programs from across the internet. In this video, I'm going to briefly go over my initial three-pronged plan of attack, as well as describe the optimal number of hashtags to use and how to manipulate the metadata for your niche, specific faceless YouTube channel. If you're following my blueprint and joining me in my adventure to raise up an army of entrepreneurs. Here is the three-pronged battle plan. Step 1, which I went over in my last several videos, is creating a faceless YouTube channel. Steps 2 and 3, which I'll go over in my next two videos respectively, are picking one dropshipping company to connect to your YouTube channel or social media account to start with, and then picking a company to start an affiliate marketing agreement with, which you will also connect to your faceless YouTube channel, Rumble, and/or social media accounts. In my last video, one of the two secret tips I went over for having a successful faceless YouTube channel was the optimization of hashtags and picking hashtags that will maximize YouTube's reading of your metadata to put you into the queue for people searching for similar videos relative to your niche. I realized today that I forgot to reveal the number of optimal hashtags. Rather than take my word for it, let's head over to both Grok and ChatGPT and ask them to analyze the internet and build a consensus from articles, message boards, Reddit, etc. for us for what the ideal number is. Both Grok and ChatGPT are suggesting 3 to 5 hashtags with an emphasis on quality over quantity, choosing niche-specific hashtags and not spamming with unnecessary hashtags. They both suggest not using more than 15, as the consensus of both programs is likewise that overusing hashtags can be counterproductive. One of the YouTube gurus I follow, the great wizard Make Money Matt, suggests utilizing a concept called similar metadata. The concept is that you use the same hashtags and description with every video to put yourself in YouTube's viewer feedback loop so that your videos are put at the top of their queue in their next recommended video. There are many factors that contribute to a video potentially getting millions of views, including beastly thumbnails, the actual quality and content of the video itself, whether or not it's in a highly trafficked and growing niche, etc. If you're curious what number of hashtags I settled on, consider looking in the description to see my use of similar metadata. If you enjoyed my channel or content, consider leaving a thumbs up, subscribing, and joining me in my quest to raise up an army of entrepreneurs and become financially free together. In the description of this video, you'll also see links to where you can pick up unique swag I designed for the channel. Until next time, warriors, Thor out.